Tēnā mai koutou, ko Hunter ahau. I am Hunter.
In kia ora, WINTON School. Ko Arlia ahau. I am Arlia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rāmiri, the 19th of February.
Okay, we start the day with a big kia ora to all the students returning sports equipment to the trolleys at the end of playtime and lunch.
Keep up the good work. Your efforts are much appreciated and it makes our school look tidy.
Straight to health and safety news. The UV forecast today is high from 12 until 4 and sun protection is required from 10:30 until 5:30 tonight.
So make sure you're wearing your potae and you are sun smart at touch rugby too, koutou.
Okay, HI VIZ vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And a reminder about wearing full school uniform to and from school. That includes footwear, koutou.
Okay, te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is kainga, which is te reo for home.
As in, kei te kainga ahau. I am at home.
Not so fast, champ. There's still a few hours before the weekend.
Kainga, which is te reo for home.
Rugby news. Midlands registration night is tonight from 4 p.m. at the club rooms. Please bring your subs.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Touch news. Listen carefully, koutou.
Practice for the Winton Leopards at morning tea time today. Please meet Jack and Archie at the library steps.
And Winton Whirlwinds, can you please meet in the junior lunch area at lunchtime?
Winton Wombles, you have a practice at lunchtime. Meet at 12:40 by the library steps.
Winton Wipeouts, please meet Georgia and Briley in the junior lunch area at 12:40.
And Winton Stags, can you please get to field 6 by 3:45 for a quick practice before your game? Kia ora.
School Council news. Can the 2016 School Council please meet Mr. Wadsworth in the group room at 1 p.m. Thank you.
Okay, no birthdays at Winton School today, but in the weekend,
Kason Breen turns 10 and Jacob Robertson turns 8.
Rā whānau kia korua, happy birthday you two. Enjoy the parties.
And that's it for the week. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a pōpō.
Haere rā and stay classy, Winton School.